Push him, Nicky, push him. You got emergency brake, bud. All right, all right, all right. This is what we got going on today. Gonna attempt to get these put on this thing. Jimmy's been hard at it again, as usual. He got this thing lined up, looking right. We just have to tint that window. And I think he's gonna try to get some of this, some sheet metal work done back here. I mean, we still got a lot to do, but that's what we got going on. So stick around. Fuck yeah, Jimmy. How's it going in there, buddy?
It's going.
Nice and hot?
Yeah.
How's those Chinese rivets working out?
The crap.
Figures. I don't know if you guys can hear because of that freaking thing, but check the spring out. Got the old two-piece spring in there.
It's tight.
Just gotta cut those rivets off.
Yeah, once this silicone dries, get it cleaned up a little better.
Yeah, we can paint over it. Just cover up the windows and the bars.
Yeah.
Looks good.
I got it stuck tight there so it ain't gonna...
Well, as you can see, got one side off. Still have to cut this off. I'm gonna have to cut somewhere in here and here and trim some of this. On to the other side, huh, Jimmy? Taking a while, ain't it, Jimmy?
Yeah.
It's getting closer. All right, about to weld this thing in here. No, it ain't the prettiest in the world, but she'll do, won't she, Jimmy? Definitely different looking from the stock side, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we got one side of the long travel stuff welded on here. We went ahead and boxed the frame in, got that welded up, cleaned up, done. It just welds on to where the old factory mounts went. What you think, Jimmy?
Looks good.
Look good?
Yep.
Not too shabby.
She'll work.
Damn, that's crazy looking. Almost like a strut front end, huh?
Basically what it is. But stock style for the old controller.
One down, one to go. Well, as you can see, we got Jimmy's old daily driver in here. How's life treating you, Jimmy?
Very swell.
Happy 4th of July, huh?
Yeah, 4th of July, changing the transfer case adapter.
Get Jimmy's drive shaft.
Just a lot more to do today.
Nice and good. It broke this adapter right here, so he's in the process of getting that changed out. Not good, is it?
No, the rest of the aluminum still stuck to the transmission.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We got Stevie in the house today. Jimmy's making some seat mounts for it, right, Jimmy?
Yeah. See how tall that is?
Yeah, so we're gonna have to cut that one end down, right?
Yeah, we'll do. Not sure how far the seat was over this way. But I know he said he wanted to probably scoot it over a little bit.
I like it to sit kind of lean back, you know what I'm saying?
You know the story about old Louis?
you? Getting your hair some. Daniel's mom was fucking around. She's working at the gate.
How's it going, Mickey? Looking good, man.
I'm just going off the angle.
Yeah, I haven't checked the cameras in a while.
Well, I might have. Does it get you all the way out here to the road?
The camera that's in the road in the middle don't work. I think the battery's dead. The other one works.
One on the pole?
Yeah, the pole one don't work. The one in the tree works.
Oh, yeah. I don't know where the tree is.
It's just down that little lane a little bit. Yeah, I think it looks good. You think it looks good, Mickey?
Yeah.
We're back on the Stevie Dix project. It's slowly coming together. Trying to get his seat mounted for him.
Race car.
It is race car stuff, ain't it? Mm-hmm. It's a little bitty race car, but it's still a race car. Got FedEx coming. Yep. See what homeboy got us. I mean, you know it's going to be good when it says made in China on it. That's where all the good stuff comes from, ain't it, Jimmy?
Oh yeah, all of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like you, struggling.
Struggle Street. High quality right there.
Probably won't be using those, huh?
No, we can look at trash. That came with beef, man. That's good. Don't know what the quality is on them.
Guess time will tell, huh?
Yeah.
Wonder if this flange is any straighter than the other ones we have.
Well, we can find out shortly.
Looks good. Yep, that's it. Look at these little,
yeah,
little
those
cute things. It's supposed to be a 3-inch revamp, but that doesn't really look like
That don't look like 3-inch now.
Might be, but it
Maybe
doesn't.
the outside is probably 3-inch. It's all we can fit, but the seats centered in good for him.
Yeah, it don't look bad. It's good for a little man.
Well, I mean, if you're just looking at the seat, which you will be, it looks awesome.
Look pretty centered.
Yeah, that's why I
Backside.
haven't taken it off to look at it.
Yeah, it's all the way around.
All that torque, man, you know?
250 foot-pound torque.
Oh, not even that. 190 foot-pounds.
Well, this thing's done. We're just waiting on Stevie to get it loaded. Got his seat mounted. We still got to do the back of it, but it's got the floor done. I think me and Jimmy's about to get started on this. We still got this side to cut up. Push him, Mickey, push him.
Oh, this thing is so light.
It don't weigh nothing, does it?
No, it don't weigh nothing.
Don't wreck it, Stevie. You got emergency brake, bud. Want to go back? It don't matter. Yeah, straight enough.
Well, it's like way forward when you brought it.
It's definitely way forward. Look at him, Dukes in the hazard, this thing.
Yeah, that front strap is gonna be.
Let Stevie show us how to do the professional knot.
Yeah, he's a professional.
He is professional.
Don't break it now, Steve. Damn. There he goes.
Well, Jimmy, hopefully the next time we see that thing, it'll be running, or at least have a motor in it,
I
huh?
hope.
It should be.
It should be. He does pretty good work, pretty quick.
Yeah. Damn, Jimmy.
What?
You ruined it.
I know.
You ruined the whole damn car, bud.
Yep. It's for the better.
For the better.
Yep.
Well, as you can see, Jimmy's got this thing all boxed in, looking good. See if I can't screw it up with a welder. All right, guys, it's freaking hot out here, but I don't know if you can see it. I'll flip the camera around, but pretty well done with the front end of the car. We got this side put on, boxed in. Think it's gonna work, Jimmy?
Yeah, it's gonna work.
I hope it's gonna work.
I hope so.
Now all we gotta do is clean them up a little bit, shoot them with some paint. Then we gotta order some parts to get the rest of the front end stuff in, huh?
Well, we ordered that already. It's on order.
Yep. Now we
Well,
just
yeah, we got rack, control arms, and more modifications to this whole thing. We got to cut all of this out. Put a steering rack.
more fun to come.
Yeah, we'll do that later when we got parts.
Yep. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I know it's all over the damn place. We got Stevie Dicks in here. I'm gonna try to put all that in one video. So the next video will probably be installing the rack and pinion and upper and lower control arms. I hope, if they're not on back order. What do you think, Jimmy?
They should have everything in stock. They said they had it on the shelf. We'll see.
It's coming from Texas, so it shouldn't take long.